So here is a Slingshot instant camera app. Pretty cool app. It was just featured in TechCrunch, so I was just like, okay, let's take a look at it. So if I just open it up, so this app combines Snapchat and Be Real. So you just create an account with your phone number. Currently, it's only available in US and Canada, so only you can use those numbers. Then you set up your username, and then you just pull down to reveal camera, and then this photo is sent in somewhere. I don't know where it's being sent. So is it sent to my feed or? But yeah, then for example, you can just search for friends. So that's what it is. So here you will see the feed of all your friends. Then you can see your profile where you invite link. You can see your friends. Then you can also add your friends. You can see who added you. You can see contacts on Slingshot, or you can just search people like this. There are some people already here, but not that many. And then that's basically your account. You can just customize your profile picture. I don't know if you can delete your account or anything, but yeah, this app is in the very early stages. So just a lot of features are very basic, but it's super cool idea. So this app is not even yet appearing in the App Store properly, but yeah, you can just search it on TechCrunch, I guess, somewhere. So it's called like Slingshot, or just go to slingshot.camera, and then you will find this app like this just by opening it up. So your screen is your inbox. Shoot instant pics to your friends. Pull down to reveal the camera. Release to Slingshot. Tap to open. Slingshot is the quickest way to share moments with your friends. Just drag your finger down to reveal the camera, then release to instantly capture the picture and set it off. Your screen will fill up with screenshots your friends have sent you and can be viewed just by tapping each bubble. Have fun and happy slingshotting. So that's what it is.